Hello everyone! I'm so excited. My pre-order finally showed up with all the new Ranger Tim Holtz fabulousness. There's already been tons and tons of like videos and posts and everything from people that got their stuff way ahead of me. But I'm still super excited. So of course I've had so many people asking, yes, I got the alcohol pearls. So basically just alcohol ink with like shimmer pigment in them. So there was 12 of them all together. And yeah, they're going to be fun to play with. I'm really excited. So yeah, got them pearl inks. I also got, I was kind of excited when Tim Holtz announced these Archival inks in distress ink colors. Now, if you've watched my videos over the last however long, I've mentioned many times regular distress inks are amazing for techniques and ink to paper and all that fun stuff, watercolor, all of it. But they're a hit and a miss when it comes to stamping because they're not meant for it. You know, just it's that type of ink that's not meant for stamping. I've made it work, but this makes me happy. So these will be really, really nice to stamp with. But then the other great thing is because they are archival inks, they're permanent on several surfaces. You can also stamp images with these and then like watercolor and whatnot, and they're not going to move. So yeah, they won't bleed when you use with water-based inks, markers, acrylic paint, watercolors, yada yada. The other thing I really, really like, heat set on all surfaces. Okay, I've never really worked with archival ink. It's just never really been my thing. But now that they're in distress colors, this is the first like sets. So he's released 12 colors, and obviously if there's enough demand, they'll eventually have all of them. But the other thing I really like is that they have these like mini ones like this, because I wouldn't have overly cared as much if you could only get them in the big ink pads. Like, that's great, but I have a lot. I have my Distress Minis, my Distress Oxides, my Simon Says Stamp inks, I've got Lawn Fawn Minis, etc. So these, I love the little size of them. So really, really excited about that too. I'm hoping we will end up with all the colors, because that would just be great. Mostly because I will use these to be stamping on the insides of my cards. Stamp on the inside, stamp sentiments, to stamp on my envelopes, etc. These will be the best. So I'm super excited about them. So I got those, and I did get the re-inkers for those because they're smaller. So not always necessary, but when you're dealing with smaller ink pads, it is nice to have those re-inkers. So yeah, I did get them. So basically these ink pads are gonna last me like forever. I got those. I got a couple of random just regular distress ink re-inkers, because I like to cut this so I can reuse this bubble wrap for other things. Yeah, I've had some random questions about that. Yes, you can get re-inkers for regular distress ink. You can also get them for Oxide. The ones for regular distress ink come in these glass bottles with an eyedropper application, which is really nice when re-inking your ink pads. But I've also shown in videos like using them, like taking a drop of distress ink re-inker, putting it in a little palette and watercoloring with it. So that's always nice too. So slowly but surely working my way to getting those. And then of course, oh, and the alcohol ink. New alcohol ink cardstock. This matte black and then brush silver. Something interesting to try. Anyway, I was curious, so I picked those up. There was also a silver sparkle, but it's back ordered till like the end of March, so I will get my hands on that when it is available. So then the other big ticket item that was released is the Distress Oxide spray, which again, there's already been tons of videos, so many. I'm still super excited about this though, because they're just, these look like so much fun to play with. So 12 absolutely gorgeous distress colors, and yeah, because they are an oxide, there's a mixture of pigment and all that stuff, so you can see how it looks like, because it'll separate. That's just standard procedure. The one thing I've noticed, which Tim had mentioned, when you're shaking these, not to shake them like this, to shake them side to side, because you don't want to clog the nozzle and spray mechanism with the pigment, so to shake it like that. So I've had to keep that in mind for when I go to use these. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So I got those. And then I got my hands on the Simon Says Stamp Prismacolor Unicorn Dust Glitter, because they'd released that with a kit, but it wasn't available yet when they shipped the kit out to me. So actually I just went and ordered it because I was like, ooh, this is glitter, I must own it. And yeah, it's super pretty. Like, it's just pretty. Isn't that pretty? So yeah, just a sparkly, fine glitter. I'm pretty sure, and I'm almost positive, that I ordered, because I have one glitter duster, I think I had ordered a second one. Should be, yes it is. Ha, perfect. Yeah, ordered a glitter duster because I already have one with my Distress Rock Candy glitter. Where did I put that glitter duster? It's around here somewhere. I think it walked off. There it is. Here it is. So yeah, I have a glitter duster with Distress Rock Candy, which is much more like white. Ones like this are very much more kind of iridescent. So I wanted to have one for the more sparkly, and then one for just this one as well. So, because, you know, super fun. So got that. This is also just random FYI. This is like more than one order. One was a pre-order, and then there was like 2 orders that showed up. One got delayed in Chicago or whatever. And then, yeah. Okay, let me get to, so I did that. That's part of the giveaway. Okay, and then I got, here we go. Neat and Tangled had like the cutest little release, so I was able to get my hands on a bunch of it. Not, I think, okay. So yeah, oh, and that too. We'll get to that in a second. So really, really cute stuff, of course, as usual, from Neat and Tangled. I really like Neat and Tangled everything. So I got the mail background. I thought that was so cute with all these little envelopes, the little hearts. So I got that one, and then I got the little love mail dies. Like, it makes a little tiny envelope. And then these cute little heart shapes. And then to go with that, I also got the little Slow and Steady set. Relax, it's your birthday. Well, hello. Worth the wait. Let's chill. Yay. Sorry I'm late. Like, isn't that cute? Got a little coordinating die set for that. And then I got these. This is the Typed Sentiments set. And then, yeah, whole bunch of sentiments. You matter to me. You're a keeper. You are loved. A friend is someone who makes it easy to believe in yourself. Sealed with a kiss. You are wicked awesome. No one will ever be as entertained by us as us. I wish we lived closer. Email is good, but letters are better. Like, just such a good one. So I got that, and then I got this. This is the Skinny Strips wafer dies. I love these really narrow ones. Really narrow. So they're meant for these sentiments, but these will work with so many of the sentiments that I love to use. Super, super narrow ones. I love. So I got that. I also got this. This was released a while ago, but I didn't have it, so I ordered it. It's the Envelope Sentiments set from Simon Says Stamp. So yeah, definitely not junk mail. Open me ASAP, handle with care. This envelope contains, you know, a real actual handmade card, something to cheer you up, a whole bunch of love, all of the above. Please deliver to you, a gift for you, etc. Like, and then on that theme, I got some more Simon envelopes. People ask me where I get my envelopes from. I pretty much order all of them from Simon, just because I can get the variety packs, individual color packs. They have the shimmer ones, etc. So I needed to stock up because I used up a whole bunch of them. And then speaking of envelopes, I showed in a Happy Mail haul video, a friend had sent me this amazing set of like envelope seals and little wax bricks and the melting tool and everything. Love it. I think it's so cool. This one has my initials on it, which is just super fun. I have a thing for wax seals. I just think they're so neat. So love that. And the color options and like the little bricks she sent me are amazing. And then I saw this and I was like, ooh, this might be good for when I'm sending out a ton of cards at once and I have a ton to do. So Simon had got in this cool melt wax gun for wax sealing. It's basically just a glue gun, but mini. And it's meant to be used. They have all of these awesome little wax sealing sticks. So you stick them in, squeeze them out, press in your seal, and you can seal them. So I just thought that was the coolest thing ever. So I'm hoping Simon will get in. I hope there's more colors available. There's this pink, a red, this white, and a gold. There was even this metallic stamp, a pack of metallic stamp inks you can get where you could like, I didn't get it. Now I'm kind of regretting it because it's like you ink this up with that metallic ink and then you press it into your wax seal. Like there's something about it. I just think that's the coolest thing ever. So I'm going to be experimenting with this and playing around and sealing everything with my little wax seal fun stuff, and then using the fancy bricks for special envelopes. So got all of that, and then last but certainly not least, I couldn't resist ordering all these different packs. I saw them listed in the Simon shop and I was like, these would work really, really nice for backgrounds. So a lot of people have asked me like I had an email about like the wood table I use for my background card photos, and I got a giggle out of it because it's not wood. It was pattern paper. So that's pretty much what I use all the time to place my card on before I take pictures of it. So this stuff, isn't that cool? And it's all just pattern paper. So I thought this would be fun. There's different colors and textures. You do get 4 sheets of each, which is kind of annoying, but they are double-sided. And I actually kind of like that there's 4 because sometimes I will double up. I think it's a little different when it's darker, but to make it like larger, if that makes sense. So there's different styles, obviously. So there's that one. That was the, I'll link to it. And yeah, Materials Edition number 1. Like, ooh, I really like this one. Isn't that fun? So yeah, I like these because they're lightweight. They give options, and these packs really jumped out at me because they're so neutral. Like, not just regular pattern paper. How fun are these? So yeah, we got those. That's really fun too. I really like that one. So we got that. These are really neat. Really like that one too. Really like that one. So really neat. So got those. And then we've got this wood grain one, which I'm sure will be actually my most used because I really like wood grains for backgrounds. So let's open this up. So we got, yeah, really like that. And it's paper. These are really nice, and they're not very thin either. Like, they're not really thin and flimsy. Like, they've got a bit of weight to them, which I really like too. I don't know if it says on here. Does it say like what the weight is? It's all in French. It doesn't say the weight of the paper, but they are just a really nice weight. I like that one. I like that one too, and that one. It's a nice neutral. So we got those. And then these are really nice papers, really high quality, like the printing on them, like it looks real. Huh. I am very glad I got these. This was definitely worth getting, in my opinion. Okay, and last but not least, this is the number 5 edition. So obviously they have several. Simon has 4 of the sets because I ordered all 4 that I saw. Oh, fun. Gold. Isn't that neat? So the gold. Ooh, I really like that one. It literally looks reflective, doesn't it? And it's not. It's just paper. Like, I'm excited about these. Okay. So that's really perfect. And then that one too. Isn't that fun? Yeah, really fun. So I will link, of course. I will have links like I always do. So that was massive multi-haul. Pre-orders and orders and all that stuff. So, as it says in the title, giveaway. With one of the orders, I got my hands on a bunch of Lawn Fawn good stuff because Simon had a really good, had a bunch of this like in their sale category. So it was, you know, so I was like, oh, this would be nice to do for a giveaway. So I'm going to do a giveaway and I will give away all these brand new, there's these fun planner sets. So I have Plan On It Vacation, Plan On It Spring Cleaning. There's the Plan On It Birthdays. Then there's the Celebration Countdown stamp set. One of my faves. This is the Screen Time stamp set. And then this is the only one I was able to get the dies with. This was the Manatee-rific. And then the Coordinating Wafer dies. So, as always with giveaways, I will do the giveaway over on my blog. It'll be linked directly below. It's just the easiest way to make it work. So if you're interested, you can just head on over to my blog. It'll be linked directly below the post. At the end of the post, it'll be the info for the giveaway. This is kind of, I guess this can be considered my little like mini 75,000 YouTube subscriber celebration, because I had mentioned that in a previous video and how I want to do something. So now that these are here, I can do a giveaway. So thank you to all of you who tune in and who, you know, watch my videos and like them. You've subscribed, click the little bell for notifications for when I upload, sharing all of it. I really, really, really appreciate it. So this is just a thank you to you guys. I will post links to everything I showed as well. They'll be linked on my blog, like picture links, all that fun stuff. So check that out below. We'll do this fun little giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon in the next video. Bye.